Welcome to Geosynthetik Geosistem Indonesia, a contractor specializing in geosynthetic supply and installation. Taplok is a vegetation planting method used for erosion control by spraying a mixture of plant seeds, wood mulch, adhesive agents, fertilizer, and water directly onto the soil's surface. This method helps accelerate vegetation growth while stabilizing the soil on slopes or erosion-prone areas. Benefits of the Taplok method: hillside slopes in highway or toll road construction, embankment and riverbank slopes, railway embankment slopes, steep cliffs or barren land that require revegetation and stabilization. Conclusion: Taplok is an effective method for erosion control and slope revegetation. By combining plant seeds, mulch, adhesive, and fertilizer applied over NusaMat, Taplok accelerates vegetation growth, maintains soil moisture, and strengthens slope surfaces. This method is suitable for road embankments, levees, steep slopes, and barren land, offering a natural, sustainable, and efficient solution for soil stabilization and environmental rehabilitation. Trust your slope stabilization needs to the Taplok method, a fast, natural, and efficient solution for long-term results. For more information about Taplok, feel free to contact us.